Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 2003 Luhrs 36 Open as she sits here in Shalimar, Florida. We're going to start at the aft deck where she has a fish box, a tuna door. Moving forward into port is a bait prep station. And to starboard is a rather large live well. Moving up the 3 steps of the electric engine hatch, we come to the bridge deck, where the soft goods and seating look absolutely new. Vessel is powered by a set of Cummins Diamond Series engines, and she's controlled by a set of Hynautic controls. She has a Furuno fish finder, a Simrad autopilot, a Furuno 36-mile radar, and a Furuno GP32 GPS, as well as an ICOM ICM45 VHF. Stepping down the 4 steps, to starboard is the full galley. She has a microwave, sink, smooth surface cooktop, and a refrigerator. To the port hand side is a rather large head with a vacuum flush head, a fully enclosed shower, and a vanity. To port is a double bunk that converts to a very large settee when dropped. Forward, we have an athwartship V-berth with a privacy curtain. To port hand side, we have a large settee with a table and lots of storage. And of course, being a Florida boat, she has air conditioning, and you can't go fishing without your AM/FM and your 6-disc CD changer. I want to thank you for taking the quick walking tour of the 2003 Luhrs 36 Open as she sits here in Shalimar, Florida.